Let's ride. Hey, Carolina Tony, coming to you today from Bishopville, South Carolina, home of Fryar's Topiary Garden. Today we're going to be looking at some shrubbery. Did I say shrubbery? Yes, shrubbery, and it is really awesome. And if y'all want to keep seeing more things like this, be sure to go down here and click subscribe. But for right now, let's go take a look. Pearl Fryar, born the son of a sharecropper, being the first in his family to graduate college. To get a job and earn a fair wage, Pearl bought this property that once was a cornfield. There were no plants on the property, and Pearl planted all the trees and shrubs that you see today. Many of the plants were throwaways that Pearl rescued from compost piles and nurseries. Pearl took the plants that were too ugly or too sick to sell and turned them into impressive topiaries. The driveway island, as this is called, at the southern curve of the island you can see shrubs cut into the letters L-O-V-E, and there's a fountain in the center. Pearl started work on the garden in the early 1980s, and he was awarded Yard of the Month in 1985 by the Bishopville Iris Garden Club. Prior to that, they wouldn't let him qualify because he lived outside of the city limits, but they made an exception. Here's some sculpture made from my old iron potbelly stove. There are various pieces of metal art all throughout his property. They were designed by Pearl himself, and he uses scrap metal to create his junk art. Here's one that I found particularly interesting, made from old musical instruments: a saxophone, trumpets, flute, clarinet. Pearl's particularly proud of this piece. It's called Hate Hurts. Well, I hope you have enjoyed our visit to Pearl Fryar's Topiary Garden at Bishopville, South Carolina. It's a place you ought to check out. Y'all be sure to share with your friends. Until then, y'all be sure to have a good day.